Meaning of ergatively.
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 Ergatively. In linguistics, ergative refers to a grammatical case or pattern where the subject of an intransitive verb is marked in the same way as the object of a transitive verb, while the subject of a transitive verb is marked differently. The term comes from the Latin word ergo, meaning therefore. So, in ergative languages, the subject of an intransitive verb is ergative, while the subject of a transitive verb is not. This type of marking is found in many languages around the world, including Basque, Georgian, and Diarbal.